Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. This is also available on iPhone or Android. So if you don't have an iPhone, you can use it on Android, and if you don't have an Android, you can do it on iPhone. So basically, all you have to do is search or just look for the WhatsApp app and open it. And once you're here, you can see all the chats you have. But how do you message yourself? All you have to do is tap on the search bar and type me, and it will show your number. And if you tap on that, you can type whatever you want. So it's basically messaging yourself. See? It's not sending to anyone but you. And it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.